Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best plasma cutters on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. Plasmargen Plasma Cutter. The Plasmargen Plasma Cutter Model 520 TSCP from Tossense is a reliable plasma cutter designed for both professional and DE projects. It supports TIG cut and MMA welding, offering versatility in handling various tasks. With a maximum cutting thickness of 3/4 inch, it can handle most standard metalwork tasks. The device operates on an input voltage of 110 to 220 V, making it suitable for different environments. The Plasmargen is not classified as a smart device, but its straightforward operation makes it user-friendly. It has been CE certified to meet safety and environmental standards. The package includes 3 plasma tips, 3 plasma electrodes, 3 swirl rings, TIG components, air filter regulator, gas hose, earth clamp, plasma torch and cable, TIG torch and cable, and MMA stick holder. The CE certification ensures safety and environmental standards during operation. Number 4. ChemOutcut 100M Plasma Cutter. The ChemOutcut 100M Plasma Cutter is a reliable and efficient tool for various cutting tasks, suitable for professionals and DE enthusiasts. Its powerful rated current of 100 A ensures clean and precise cuts, making it ideal for industrial applications and heavy-duty projects. The CUT 100M operates on a robust 380 V input voltage, allowing for optimal performance. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver and transport, making it suitable for various work environments. CE certification ensures the cutter meets European safety and environmental standards, adding a layer of trust and reliability. Although not classified as a smart device, its straightforward operation allows for less maintenance and more focus on cutting efficiency. The CUT 100M excels in plasma cutting applications, delivering consistent results across conductive metals with impressive cutting speeds and minimal slag. Number 3. Hitbox HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter. The Hitbox HBC 5500 is a reliable and efficient plasma cutter designed for professionals and DE enthusiasts. It offers powerful cutting performance with a rated output current of 60 A, making it versatile for various projects. It can achieve a clean cut thickness of 1/2 inches 12 mm and break through materials up to 3/5 inches 21 mm, making it suitable for light and heavy-duty applications. The compact design of 425 x 255 x 305 mm and weighing just 8.5 kilograms make it easy to transport to job sites or store in small workshops. The machine operates on a single-phase 220 V input voltage with a no-load voltage of 256 volts. It is CE certified and equipped with a DC motor, ensuring efficient operation and reliable performance. Number 2. HeroCut CUT55P Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut CUT55P is a reliable and efficient plasma cutting machine, suitable for both professional and DE enthusiasts. It boasts a powerful current of 50 amps and a duty cycle of 60%, making it suitable for various applications. The machine operates on a 220 V input voltage and requires an air compressor with a capacity of 45 Lmin. It features advanced arc starting technology, allowing for easy ignition and minimal wear on the cutting torch. The compact design of the CUT55P makes it suitable for both workshop settings and on-site tasks. It comes with CE certification, ensuring safety and performance standards. The machine is equipped with an AG60P cutting torch for high efficiency and precision. Number 1. Andeli Cut 50D Plasma Cutter. The Andeli Cut 50D is a reliable plasma cutter designed for efficient metal cutting. Made in China, it is backed by the reputable Andeli brand and is specifically engineered for steel, aluminum, and other metals. It comes with CE certification, ensuring safety and quality standards. The cutter uses a high-frequency arc start method for quick and reliable ignition, minimizing downtime and enhancing productivity. It operates at both 50 and 60 Hz with an IP21's protection class rating for dust and moisture resistance. The H insulation class ensures the machine can withstand higher temperatures, increasing its longevity and reliability. The air cooling system manages temperature, preventing overheating and allowing for sustained performance during intense cutting tasks. The Andeli Cut 50D is user-friendly and delivers impressive cutting capabilities, making it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.